Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Play Store not working on Motorola G87. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps and click on See All Apps. Scroll down and search Data app from here. Click on Data app, for example this is Data, and click on Storage and Cache. Clear Cache Data app. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click on hot side power button, volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.